Hello guys, Dawam here and welcome to SBig channel. I'm in Surabaya right now and we will go to one of Pasuruan famous waterfall, Putuk Truno. Now, let's get started and hope you enjoy this video. Finally we got here guys, after a long trip, and now I'm standing in front of the locket to Putuk Truno Waterfall. And FYI, you have to pay about 20,000 rupiah in weekend and 15,000 in weekday. And let's go. After we're in front of the ticket, we will get this thing, and I'm sure we will use it like a bread like this as a proof that we already paid for a ticket. Now let's get going.
Located in Pandaan, Pasuruan, Putuk Truno Waterfall attract a ton of visitors, locals or tourists, despite of its dark location. Visitors will have to drive through a fit for a car route to reach the entrance. Not as narrow as this road ahead of me now, though. And by the way, it turns out that this ticket isn't used as bracelet.
We're walking down the path. You have to walk about 300 meters to get into the waterfall. Yeah. And further we walk, the scenery is going to give more natural vibe. As you can see, right there, more tree and almost no building.
Not only green scenery, the advisor of this tourism spot seems pretty good in decorating. Ornamental plants are plugged in beside the path. They are also considerate of old folks by making a bench in every 100 meters, a simple mini rest area. Every corner in this walk path and the overall of this tourism spot is Instagrammable, suitable to your hobby if you like photography or flexing in social media.
And as you can hear, from now on we can hear the voice, the sound of the water splashing. We're coming near to the waterfall, and you can see that. Yeah, I'm sure you can see that. And here guys, you can walk up the stairs and you can see the clear view of waterfall. And as you can see right now, behind me is the Putuk Truno Waterfall. And look at this water falling from about 50 meters from above.
long walk, you will eventually get captivated by Forest Truno Cafe next to the entrance. A cafe surrounded by nature. How one will not interested in this calming and relaxing spot? You can book the place beforehand so you can get the best spot and come over with your group or friends or family. The cafe that's established in around 2020 is a place you will find soothing. The air is even breezy in the hot day.
Now, to wrap things up, you can take a rest in this waterfall cafe. It has an open air chair and placed next to the entrance. It has natural vibes surrounding us, and it also has nice cool wooden cottage. And what's best is you can take an all-nighter or even a sleepover without extra charge.
As an additional information, even though they don't demand an extra charge for your sleepover, you can only have it in the night before the holiday like Saturday. You will want to prepare an anti-mosquito lotion to take a night. It's a place amidst the forest after all.
And that's it. Hope you get useful information. And please let me enjoy myself.